Hey guys, how are you all? Hope all are fine. Guys, today I'm going to telling about in this video how to edit this trending reel. If you want to edit this trend, keep watching this video and let's start. So guys, to edit this trend you need VN application which is easily find on your Play Store. So guys, first you install the VN application. After that, when you open this app, you will get interface like this. Guys, according to preview, you need 4 video clip to make this video. So to import the video clip, click on the plus icon on here and click the new project option and select the 4 video clip from your phone library. Okay guys, you have to select like this and have to forward from here. Okay, you can see guys how to take the video clips. Okay, now guys, first you have to delete the VN default clip from here and select the ratio of 9.16. okay, now guys, we will add the music on here. Music link given on my Telegram channel. Telegram link is given on the description. So guys, first you have to download the reel video from Telegram. After that, you have to click on the plus icon on here and click the music option to extract the audio. Okay, now guys, click the plus icon and here you will get extract from video option. So click on this option and select that reel which you have downloaded from Telegram. So I have to select this reel and guys have to OK from here. Now guys, have to choose from here and have to done from here. In this way, music will be added. Now guys, we will trim the video clip according to music. So first I trim the video clips. After that, I will tell you the videos durations because I can't listen music to you due to copyright issues. Okay. Okay guys, you have seen how to trim the video clips. Now note the video duration. So guys, you have to keep the first video duration 1.15 second. Okay, now guys, second photo duration will be 0.62 second and third is 1.15 second, last is 1.74 second. Okay, so guys, you have to keep the durations like this. Your video will be perfect. And now your video is completed. It's very simple to make. Now you can save this video. To save this video, click on the export option from top right corner and have to done from here. Now guys, you have to click on the save to album option and video will be saved. So guys, how you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want trending videos notifications. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.